Hi, today we're going to take a look at the BLACK+DECKER 32oz electric citrus juicer, and I'm going to show you all the parts of it and some of the things that I really like about it, some of the special features. So to start off, it is an electric juicer, so you do need to plug it in, and it has 6 parts. It has the lid to the juicer. It has 2 different sizes for juicing, and it has this strainer that has the ability to adjust for how much pulp you want in your juice. You have here the actual pitcher that it juices into, and then the electric part here. So all of these parts are dishwasher safe. This you just need to wipe down. It's not dishwasher safe. So when you're about to juice, what you want to do is first get on the pitcher, and it does have a lock setting. So you have to put it off to the side and then rotate it to lock it into place. You'll know it's locked into place when you can't move it anymore. Next, you put on the strainer. And then you're going to choose your juicing size. I'm going to start with the smaller size and show you a smaller size citrus fruit, and then we'll take a look at the bigger size later. But this is the one that I primarily use, and then you'll want to adjust for how much pulp you want. I tend to like less pulp in my juice. And it's super simple. You just cut your citrus in half and place it on the very top and just press down. It is that simple. It gets a lot of the juice out. It's pretty efficient because it has an auto reversing setting on this, so it'll start to go the other direction if need be, and so you get a lot of the juice out. And as you can see, it catches the pulp here. And one of the features that I really like, I just did a lime, so there's not much juice in here, but you can measure it out as you're going. So if you're doing a lot of citrus, I really like this feature because then I can put it in my Ziploc baggies to freeze by how many ounces I want. I don't have to dirty up another dish or, transfer it to anything. This also is like a pitcher, and you have the lid, which is a nice feature. So if you're in the middle of, juicing a bunch of your citrus, but you've got to go run to the store real quick, you can put the lid on, put it in the fridge, and that's a nice feature there too. So now I'm going to show you the larger size, and so the larger size actually goes on top of this one. So typically I would have this all cleaned up, but for the sake of showing, I'm just going to put it on top here. Whoop, it just clicks on, and I have my larger lemon citrus, and so I'm going to show you how I just press down. Okay, so you could see there that it started to go back and forth, and that's the auto reversal juicing feature. That's one of the highlights for me with this juicer. One thing that I have found that is a little bit of an inconvenience, but it hasn't been too much, is that the cord is not super long. However, this is very small, and so I can move it around easily and store it very easily. So those are the things that I like about this, and overall, it's done the job for me. I have a lemon tree, and so it's very helpful during lemon season to get everything juiced very quickly.